In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share files and folders externally on Microsoft Teams. This is a really handy feature, especially if you're collaborating with people outside of your organization or just need to share important documents with a team. To get started, open Microsoft Teams on your device. Once you're logged in, head over to the chat section. Here you'll see your list of contacts as well as any active group chats. Select the conversation you'd like to use, whether it's with one individual or a larger team. It's important to know exactly who you're sending files to, especially when dealing with external partners. Next, look for the paperclip icon in the chat window. This is where you upload files directly into the chat. Clicking it will bring up several options, and the one we're focusing on today is Upload from this device. Choosing this will open your system's File Explorer so you can browse through folders and pick the files or even entire folders you'd like to share. Once you've selected what you need, click Open or select Folder to confirm. This begins the upload process and attaches the content right into your chat window. Before sending, it's always a good practice to double-check that you've chosen the correct files. Mistakes happen, and it's best to avoid sharing sensitive or irrelevant documents by accident. After uploading, you'll also have the option to add a short message with your files. This can provide helpful context such as instructions, background details, or why the files are important. Doing this makes collaboration smoother and ensures the recipient understands the purpose of what you've shared. And that's it. You've now successfully shared files and folders externally through Microsoft Teams. It's a simple process that can make teamwork far more efficient. Just remember to stay mindful of your organization's data privacy and security policies whenever you're sending documents outside the company. I hope you found this guide clear and useful. If you did, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more quick, practical tech tutorials. Happy sharing, and I'll see you in the next one.